Okay, here is a look at Chalkola white chalk markers. 6-pack, supposed to come with some chalk labels. Here's our product info. My box came a little bit mangled, but should be okay. So you can write on glass. I did not know that. Don't know if I'll test that or not, but non-toxic, so that is good. So inside we obviously have 6 chalk markers, good for a 6-pack. And here's the labels. So I guess you could stick them on jars, cans, or something like that, and be able to label them. Kind of nice. So let me give them a quick test. I believe the instructions are pretty simple. Shake them with cap on, remove the cap, and press the tip on to sort of get the chalk to start going. Alright, so let me do a quick test. So shaking, I've actually used this one a little bit where I pressed the tip in to get it flowing. So, and I will also use a different brand marker that's not as doesn't shake as noisily, but just another brand marker that I already had in a different color. So let those dry a little bit and test how well they wipe off. Alright, so I guess the one thing I should point out is whether you've seen chalk markers before or not. Obviously we already have some because we've found by comparison that, you know, going old school with chalk, yeah, sort of works, but not really the best. So obviously if you're doing something to look nice, the chalk markers are really a good way to go. They do not wipe off with a your typical eraser, chalkboard eraser kind of thing, unfortunately, no matter what you sort of try on there. But they will smudge a little bit, but really the way you have to do these is with a damp rag, paper towel, something like that. And you can tell there was quite a bit of ink on, it's now on my thing. So they obviously wrote really well, dropped a good bit of ink on there to stay. So I would call that a successful test. So I think I am pretty happy with my markers. So good job. All right. Hope this is helpful. Have a good day.